Hey guys, it's your girl Carmise. Welcome back to my channel. Today I felt like doing something a little different. I know I don't accept low orders that often, but today I wanted to do a little challenge and test myself just by accepting low orders, high orders. But anyways, you guys, I'm currently here at Bagel Boys. I accepted an order going for $6, 3.4 miles. The miles are low. The miles aren't too high. Normally I wouldn't accept it because it's $6 and I feel like $6 3 miles, I'm technically getting like $3 for that order. So I normally wouldn't have accepted that, but I feel like the miles are not too high. The customer only wants 2 items and it's going for $6, so I accepted it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure you guys turn your post notifications so you find every single time your girl for her videos. And yeah, I'm about to head inside right now to Bagel Boys, you guys. Hopefully there's no line. I'm picking up for Roberto. DoorDash?
Roberto?
Yeah. Thank you. Alright, you guys. Got my order. Just confirm my pickup. Alright, you guys. My customer is 7 minutes away. This is a contactless delivery. And yeah, see you guys once I get there. Alright, you guys, I just made it, and I already heard the dog barking and shit. So I'm not gonna ring the bell. Alright, I'm about to take my picture and then dip. Alright, you guys, I just arrived to Pancake Plus. I accepted an order going for $6, 2.9 miles. A customer wants 2 items. It is going to be pouring today, y'all. Like, ugh, I hate dashing in this type of weather, but let's see how much money I make today, baby. But it's currently drizzling right now, you guys. I'm about to head inside. I just got a notification that my order is ready for pickup. Picking up for Richard. Thank you. Alright, you guys, have my order right here. She made the coffee as soon as I walked in to pick up the order. Alright, you guys, I am 2 minutes before my pickup time. Absolutely amazing. I'm about to head over to my customer. It's at an apartment complex, but I've been here 1,000 times, so hopefully I can get there easy peasy. An order at Shake Shack just popped up, going for $8.50, 5.7 miles. My customer wants 6 items. An additional order at Panera Bread also popped up, going for $7.50, 1.3 miles. Should I accept that, y'all? Alright, you guys, I just made it to Shake Shack. Let's see if the order is ready for Sophia. Alright, the order's ready. Alright, you guys, just got my Shake Shack order right after pickup time. Absolutely amazing. Alright, got my Shake Shack in the DoorDash bag. I'm about to head over to Panera Bread. It's literally right across. The items are unknown at Panera Bread and my pickup time is in 5 minutes. So I have no idea what's going on inside. Okay, there's nothing here. For Sandra Gazzino.
Sandra?
Yeah. The Zeno? Yeah. Alright, you guys, just got my order. Already ready by the pickup time. This is absolutely amazing. Got both orders now. Much smoother than yesterday, for sure. Alright, you guys, have my Panera Bread order right here. Already ready by the pickup time. I'm actually heading over to the Panera Bread person first, which, you know, gets me a little concerned about the first customer that I picked up for, because aren't they like waiting on their order? Hopefully it notifies them that I'm delivering another order, because can't they see that what I'm doing, like everything that I'm doing now? Anyways, you guys, I'm heading over to the Panera Bread customer first. They are 6 minutes away, and it's a customer delivery, so I'll see you guys once I get there. Alright, I guess everybody belly ain't working today. At this point, I'm just gonna leave the order here. And the customer can go get it. No problem. No problem. Alright, you guys, I'm about to head over to my Shake Shack customer now. They are 6 minutes away. Am I going to be there late? What? I'm going to be there 1 minute before the delivery time, so I made it just in time. Alright, you guys, I hear dogs barking, so I'm not going to ring the bell. Alright, you guys, I just accepted another stacked order at Moe's, and it's just wings, going for $17, 5.4 miles. And yeah, you guys, I'm heading over to Moe's right now. My customer wants 2 items. And yeah, my pickup time is literally like in a minute, so I'm gonna head right on in there. Alright, you guys, got my order. I'm about to head over to Chili's right now. I'm about to head over to It's Just Wings. My pickup time is in 6 minutes, and my customer wants 2 items. And yeah, you guys, I'm probably like 2 to 3 minutes away from Chili's. I'll see you guys once I get there. Alright, you guys, got the order, got both orders. Both are ready at the pickup time, which is absolutely amazing. Got a business that told me to leave it in the lobby, so child. Excuse me, is there somewhere I can leave this order?
Is it paid for?
Yeah.
I'll give it to you. So sorry.
No problem.
Oh my God, don't mind me.
Alright, have a good day. Alright, you guys, I'm heading over to my second customer. They want me to leave the items outside on the bench, and they are 3 minutes away, so that's good. Alright, you guys, I just made it to my second customer's house. This is a contactless delivery, and they wanted me to place it on the bench. That's gonna get the food all wet to put on the bench, but okay. As you guys can hear, it is fucking raining. Yeah, it's full on raining, y'all. It's gonna be raining all day, but I accepted an order at Shake Shack going for $8.50 at 5.5 miles. My customer wants 4 items. My pickup time is in 1 minute, you guys. I'm about to head inside. Alright, you guys, I have my order. Oh, child. My socks are getting wet. I have my Crocs on. They're 13 minutes away. Contactless delivery. I'll see you guys once I get there. Alright, you guys, I am back at Shake Shack. I accepted an order going for $8, 1.8 miles. My customer wants 2 items, 2 Shack burgers, and yeah. My pickup time is at 5 minutes, but I feel like it should be ready since they only want 2 burgers. That's my socks getting wet for me. Alright, you guys, I have my order right here. This is a contactless delivery and my customer is 3 minutes away. Alright, you guys, I made it to number 1 Sushi. I accepted an order going for $8.50 at 4.3 miles. My customer wants 9 items. And yeah, you guys, they want 9 items. So I have no idea what's going on in that restaurant. I know they are known for being slow with my orders and just a whole lot of waiting. They're very known for that. So I have a very strong feeling that my order may or may not be ready, but who knows, we'll see. I'm picking up for Chelsea. And then just let you know, I think the guys ordered the Japanese soda, but always saw out the Japanese soda. Alright, you guys, oh my gosh, the rain just got way harder. I'm literally almost 20 minutes after the pickup time. I'm gonna text them because they said that they don't have any more Japanese soda. Alright, you guys, I am 10 minutes away from my customer. Handed to customer delivery. They want me to call them when I get there.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Alright, you guys, I just made it to Carvel. This is my second time here delivering ice cream to a customer. I accepted the order going for $9.50 at 1.6 miles. My customer wants 3 items, soft serve ice cream and 2 shakes. I'm about to head inside. My pickup time is in 1 minute for John. I have a DoorDash order for John. Okay. Alright, you guys, I have the ice cream right here. I'm about to head over to my customer. I am 3 minutes after the pickup time. This is a contactless delivery and it is at an apartment complex. Alright, I'm gonna ring the buzzer. I just made it to PF Chang's. Literally when I accepted the order, my pickup time was in 3 minutes. So maybe another dasher had my order before me and they were probably like waiting on the order. But I'm here. I accepted the order going for $9.50 at 2.4 miles. My customer wants 3 items. And yeah, you guys, I'm about to head inside. My pickup time is in 1 minute. Yes, for Cindy.
Cindy?
Yeah.
Cindy, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, you guys, got my order already ready by the pickup time. Alright, you guys, have my order right here. I'm gonna try to get to my customer, you guys. I am 8 minutes away, and it's a customer delivery. Hopefully I get to their house. They're telling me to use someone else's driveway to get to their house because it's in the back of the house, so they want me to use their driveway. Anyways, let me see what that's about. Hey. Oh, okay. No problem. I thought she was gonna ask me to give it to her through the window. Alright, you guys, I just made it to McDonald's. I accepted an order going for $10, 3 miles. My customer wants 6 items. My pickup time was 1 minute ago, so I'm about to head inside right now. Hopefully the order is already ready for me, you know what I'm saying? One two nine.
Careful, the drink is inside, okay?
Okay. Alright, you guys, have my order. This is a contactless delivery, and I am 4 minutes away. Alright, you guys, just made it to my customer's house. And this looked. Hello. No problem. Alright, you guys, I'm going back to McDonald's. I accepted an order going for $9, 3.8 miles. My customer wants 2 items. And yeah, my pickup time is in 10 minutes. I'm probably like 3 to 5 minutes away from McDonald's. Alright, you guys, I am a few minutes before my pickup time, but I'm just gonna see if the order's ready. 785?
Huh?
Is it 785?
785?
Yeah.
You have a DoorDash.
DoorDash, yeah. No problem. Thank you. Alright, you guys, have my order ready by the pickup time. Let's see if this is a contact or contactless delivery. Alright, you guys, I have my order right here. I am 1 minute before the pickup time. I'm about to head over to my customer. This is a contactless delivery, and I am 6 minutes away. Alright, you guys, I am here at Golden Dragon. I accepted an order going for $9.50 at 3.6 miles. My customer wants 6 items: pork with broccoli, roast pork lo mein, roast pork wonton soup, 2 pork egg roll, fried pork wonton. And yeah, you guys, my pickup time is right now, so I'm about to head inside. enough for Alfredo?
DoorDash, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too. Alright, you guys, I'm heading over to my customer. This is a contactless delivery, even though it's marked as sent to customer, but they said to not block the door, so meaning that they want me to place the food on the ground, which I'm going to do. No problem. You too.